Hello, hello, hello. This is Wellman Work Health and Wellness, and today we are at the break table because we have mangoes. And since we have mangoes at the break table, I wanted to make a quick little smoothie. I found this thing at Clean Juice, right? They have little wellness shots. They have like one with elderberry, one with immune booster, one for wheatgrass, and so on and so forth. So it inspired me. I don't have any wheatgrass or elderberry or anything like that, but as time goes on, we are gonna implement more things into our diet. So this morning, I just woke up with the distinct inclination to cut these mangoes open and start blending them, because we don't want them to go bad. So we're going to slice our mango. I'll just slice it like this in 4 quadrants, right? And at the top, it should look like a plus sign, right? Boom, simple. Now we're just going to peel it back. Still using the same. Using the same knife, right? Just gonna peel it back like that. You can use your finger. It should peel back nice and smooth if it's right. And sometimes it'll peel back a little. It won't peel back. It'll break off like that if it's too ripe. And this one's a little too ripe. All right, see, it peels back just like that. Very nice. I think I need to zoom in. Let's zoom in just a little bit. Oh, no zoom in this mode. Okay, well, can't zoom. All right, well, let's just continue. Okay, peel that back. Let's do the other one. I like to do them like this. One, skip one, and do the next one, just so you have something to hold on to as you peel. Let me get this out of the way. All these chairs, so you guys can actually see. See now, I peeled it so that you can just you can see. Now you can see that I peeled it so you can hold it. That's what I meant. You just peel that right on back, just like that. You have one left. And peel that back too. Okay, done. Now you should have a fully peeled ripe mango. And mangoes are ripe when you push down on it and you feel it. It's the mushiest of the whole bunch. You grab that one. It's gonna go bad quicker. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of shave off. And it's very, very, very juicy. So I just want to shave off a piece at a time and hold it over there because it's gonna drip. And as you shave it off, you just drop it in there. You want to do it close to the opening of your personal blender. And as you shave it off, you can hear it come off. You can feel it when you're going close to the seed. It gets a lot rougher. And please, if you're not skillfully inclined with a knife, please do not do it the way I'm doing it. Please set it down and do it on a plate or something. I don't want you to harm yourself on account of trying to do it like me. That's my disclaimer. Turn it over. Do the other side. Yeah, what I would recommend is to do this while it's sitting down and just shave it off. All right. So we got all that in there. Let's put a little water in it, just a little. Let's give it a good blend. Okay. Wipe off the excess with a paper towel. You can put more water in it later, depending on what you like. I just wanted to put enough water in there to make sure that it's suspended. I like to get all of the extra off. Toss it in there, flick it down, and blend. All right. Now you have your smoothie. So we can stop here, but I'm gonna put a little bit more water in it. Oh, I think I put too much water in it. Just don't put too much. That's all I gotta say. And we're good. Okay. So cleanup time. What would have made easy cleanup, and I'll let you know this now. Should have let you know this before. Was to put a paper towel down or something down under this, because these fibers can really get into anything you have on your table. Dang, and it's very slippery and hooky and gooky. Okay, and I just happen to have a what is this? It's like a spandex type cloth, tablecloth, and it's black for that, so it's like it's gonna retain all of that extra. I'll have to clean it off some other way. I'm tripping all over my words this morning. Well, there you have it. Okay. That's your smoothie for today. I am Welvin Omar Salam. This is Welvin Work. And Welvin is doing the best to do his work right here on YouTube. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's drink. Let's take a little sip. We're drinking our mangoes. Mighty mangoes. All right.